Digging into the charts and joins us now. I mean, Katie, when you look at this chart, at least just most recently, it just seems like it's going only one direction. Does the chart action and the technical analysis show you that we are going to continue going up and to the right?
Well, it's easy to forget that before this big breakout, we did have maybe 7-8 weeks of consolidation. So it feels like it's ancient history right now, but the breakout did follow a pause that obviously refreshed the uptrend. We saw that 108,300 level that we've been citing cleared, and that happened obviously very decisively. We are able with the breakouts to sort of generate these measured move projections, which essentially they're assuming the trajectory of the prevailing trend ahead of the corrective phase is maintaining itself. And that puts Bitcoin around 135,000 as an intermediate term or maybe a quarter long type of objective. It seemed pretty aggressive a few days ago, maybe now a little bit less so, but we are impressed by the breakout.
Wow, 135,000. That's quite a number. When you look at other stocks that track cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin most specifically, most closely, Coinbase or MicroStrategy, are you expecting similar action there?
We are, and they're acting well, of course, alongside Bitcoin and also the altcoins. We saw Ether break out from a consolidation phase, clearing its 200-day moving average. So there is positive action really across the universe of cryptocurrencies. Ripple, we highlight today as having advanced from a triangle formation. So from a technical perspective, we are seeing some pretty actionable breakouts, and some are major breakouts, some are minor breakouts. The individual stocks that tend to perform alongside these cryptocurrencies have really benefited. Coinbase, for one, has cleared resistance that defined what looks like the upper boundary of a big cup and handle formation. This is a very long-term setup from a technical perspective that shows that a corrective phase that followed a big rounded base has now culminated in a breakout. MicroStrategy, which is of course very highly volatile, but it still has maintained a long-term uptrend with higher lows and now has a short-term breakout of its own. So there does seem to be positive action across the board. We also notice there's a propensity for this space to kind of skyrocket like it is doing right now, but then it takes a prolonged pause. So these pauses or plateaus